Another frequently asked question here at the law firm is, how are cases involving trucks or big rigs any different than cases involving regular automobile accidents? Well, the answer is that there are major differences. When somebody's driving an 18-wheeler, they are bound by many federal laws that govern how they're required to maintain their vehicle, logs that are required to keep track of how many hours they're riding at any one time and how much rest they're getting, and many other regulations that govern how they should be safely operating their vehicle. When you're involved in an accident involving a big rig, if you will, the law enforcement agency investigating the accident is not going to be delving into all of these issues involving federal regulations, and most of the time they're just going to try and determine who caused the accident. But what needs to be done involving any accident involving a big rig or a large truck or a commercial vehicle that is transporting items across state lines, somebody needs to have an expert review the documentation. That driver may have contributed to the accident because he wasn't sleeping for the past 24 hours, because he was driving too long. He may not have proper logs. If there's a violation of federal regulation, you may have a claim automatically against the carrier, against the owner of the trucking company, because the trucking company is responsible for the negligence of their drivers, and they're also responsible for complying with federal regulations. So especially involving a big rig, you need to get a lawyer that's experienced in these cases involved right away.